Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we are headed down to Never Enough RC in Kalamazoo, Michigan for their team crawler competition, which consists of a class 1 rig and another rig that has to be, or basically can't be class 4. The only real spin on this is the class 1 rig cannot have a winch and the other rig will most likely probably need one. So stay tuned. Let's see how this competition goes.
The winch does not take any points. So use your guys' winches to pull each other through there. There's bonus gates. The pink bonus gate is for class 1 only. That has to get accomplished by itself. You cannot use any help for the bonus gates. The purple gate over here is for your class 2 or 3. Same thing. It must go through there by itself. I don't care when you go after those gates, as long as you go through them in the correct orientation. Before that green gate, after that green gate. Anytime that you guys feel necessary. As far as helping, truck 1 can go wherever it needs to as long as it doesn't hit a gate to get in position to help truck 2 and vice versa. Outside of that, any questions on stuff? I know it's kind of vague.
What way does the gate 2 and 3 go? Bonus gate?
Both you're going up.
Okay.
So up this one, up that one. If there are questions on the gates as you guys go along, please yell at me. John is still new on scoring, so be honest with your stuff. If you guys have questions or anything, if he tells you to stop, you guys need to stop. 2 people have practiced, and we came up with a couple things. As far as your winch goes, your winch needs to be attached to your vehicle, your class 2 or 3 vehicle, the entire time. If at some point it is attached to the front and you want it attached to the back. As long as you're on a flat spot to where picking up your truck is not going to benefit you, you can pick up your truck without any points, move that winch, put the truck back down. You have to make sure it is on a flat spot. If you're questioning if it's a good spot or not, it is ultimately up to the judges to say yes or no on that. At no point can the winch be permanently attached to the class 1 truck. You are allowed to pick up class 1 truck to hook up the winch to it with the hook, as long as, again, it's on that flat spot and it's not going to benefit by picking it up. One of the things that we did change is it's 20 points for repair. Whether that's you're picking it up and just doing it on the course or you're taking it back to your pits, it's still 20 points. But you have to get back and at least finish that round, otherwise it is a DNF fine. But
I say, what about battery? Is that free? That's repair.
yeah,
It's a lot of gates, man.
yeah. So make sure your batteries are charged and make sure they're good to go. Again, gates are going to be live the entire time. If you clear gate 30 and you back down into it, it's still 10 points. If your scout truck is going around to get in a position and he hits 3 gates on the way, that's 30 points, 10 points per gate. Keep that in mind as you guys are doing things. Is there any questions on it?
Is pushing helping?
Yes,
That's legal?
yes. If you need to push, that's fine. If truck 1 flips and truck 2 can ride them back up, no points. As long as you don't touch that truck. So if you're crawling up here and you fall all the way down and you're still connected to the winch, pull them back up. Do whatever you gotta do. Basically the two ways that I would see hand to God is gonna be falling off the course or if both you guys are tipped over.
Or turtle.
Other than that, use that other truck. If you need to position that other truck to ride across, if you need to push each other up this hill, whatever you gotta do, make it happen. Our trophies, we do have the one up on top of the refrigerator there. That is what the winners have got. I do have 2 of them. You guys don't have to split that one. And then I do have things for everybody who does not get a trophy that you guys don't get to see yet. Any other questions?
Yes. What a winch.
Winch.
Does it just have to, you have to drive to pull it, or can you?
Absolutely, you have to drive to pull it.
Okay.
No hand winching.
So tighten that up if you need to. Again, there are a couple different techniques that we have seen already with the winch. So yeah. All right, everybody good?
Might need that angle.
Let's get you guys' team trucks up on the rack. First team, whoever wants to.
So there's no stick winch at all, right?
Correct. Not one more.
Okay. All right. Just making sure.
Again, if you have questions on the layout, let us know. Layout's on there, let us know.
You gotta back up your clock whenever you're tired.
You just said that and I just realized I jumped out. I'll go
Not yet.
Looks good as long as you keep it tight.
Did I hit it? I was looking at the front. Damn it.
Don't hit it again. The first one, yeah.
I was watching the front, not paying attention to the back. Jeez. Wow.
No, during the week.
Challenge.
They didn't practice on the course. They came.
Let me
Looks
know.
like the same line as you. Yeah,
I'm entirely different.
I see it.
So is DJ.
I'll clear that. I think you got the right line.
You guys are only on number 2? You got the right line, you're just going about it
Go,
all
go
right.
driver, driver, driver. Give me a couple. Watch out. Just gonna put a little tension on it.
I'm just gonna play dead here.
I don't want to spring you into this one either, though. I'm gonna back off here just a little.
You come down and back up and push me over.
I got you. Just don't let that get. I
Whatever
got
team
you.
is up next, get you guys' trucks up on the
I'm
right.
gonna flip you. Right on
Thank
down.
you. I didn't realize you were
Hang on over there.
You're hiding.
just like that.
That's what you always
Keep look out, guys. We got some tension on a wedge here.
He's about to send that red cat across the room.
Don't stand in the winch zone.
Come on, Comanche.
Where's the kinetic energy going, bro?
Hammer down, hammer down.
That's a help DJ, you still have to get through gate 9.
Yeah, just come give me a push.
You're driving it if you move.
You made it.
Sketchy.
Where you going? Oh no.
That one go.
I'm on the side.
Guys on opposite sides of the corners.
Yeah.
So was it supposed to work this way?
Oh shit.
Where's Reed for the picture of that one?
If you find the parts on the trail.
You can use it. It's free. Somebody throw some batteries down.
Yeah.
It's fucking making some weird noises outside. It is making some weird noises.
I put a hole in the front of the hood.
Where at? Right there? Beautiful. I don't know what that noise is. Dude, you just want to video. Nice job, dude. Didn't even need that. He scared you.
Just holler out at CDC over there. I think we're gonna help each other. See if you can get on this side of it. Oh, careful, careful. You're close to the skate over here. How am I looking over here?
Tell them to put you on the back.
Yeah, push on my rear driver. Whoa, what? Yeah, you heard it. Let's see the gate. Nice. Alright, now you gotta push me over. No.
You were just about laying it back out.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. I'm gonna try and hug this inside.
The other way. If it's in a channel, like he flips and he ends up sideways.
Right on. get your back tires through it. Oh, jeez. We're really in a predicament now. Don't hit that gate. Let me back down. Slide down if you need to. Yeah, it still counts. Yeah, don't hit it. Unhook and then slide down. Oh, okay. Yeah, I was gonna say, I wasn't. Yep. Same. I got it. 30 down. 30, just get 30. I'm just trying to make sure we keep sliding on it. And I don't pull it. Yeah, no, you're fine. You're not going to push me. Go for it. Yeah. Keep it from pushing. Come right against you. Oh, is that what's going on? Yeah. All right, well, fix it before.
Yeah. You left me.
Oh, shoot, I'm sorry. I can drive up there and flip you over. Let me go down this first.
Now he's just gonna drag you around while he gets squared up.
Now drive. Forward. Yep. Yep. Ooh. Missed it. Yeah, they might get you there.
Okay, you're hanging out pretty close.
Keep me off the gate.
Go reverse. Forward. Forward. There.
Now you drive forward. Now we unhook.
Yep. All right, guys. Well, unfortunately, that's going to do it here for today's video. The GoPro ended up dying and overheated, had some trouble with that. First of all, big shout out to Jose for coming down to film this entire competition for us. He was just absolutely outstanding with getting the camera in some crazy spots for us to be able to film this. So without you, man, this video wouldn't even be possible. So thank you, Jose. Also, a real big shout out to Justin with Never Enough RC for putting on this really unique event. It was a really long and exhausting but really fun day. It was super unique competition. I really enjoyed it. Hopefully everybody else had a great time. The competition was fierce. I know that Trent and his team, they were right there with us all the way down to the wire. So it was a really fun event, and we definitely can't wait to be back and crawling with you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. If you're not already, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Help us reach our goal of hitting 1,000 subscribers, and we will see you guys in the next one. Later.